Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blur text in DaVinci Resolve, blur out text in DaVinci Resolve, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So first, to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device and import onto your project the video wherein you want to go ahead and blur a text from. So I have your video wherein it has an NVT text in here. So we'll try to blur out the text in here. So for us to be able to begin, let's hold this and drag this here onto the timeline first. So let's position this correctly here. And right after, once we have added that, click onto this icon in here to proceed. So we're gonna go ahead and try to add a tracking onto this one. So we're gonna start here onto the first part of the video, and we're gonna click onto this icon in here to add a tracking. So since this one is more on a square type, we could use linear for that, or you could also try to mask it using or track it using circle, but it is safe to use curve here so that we should be able to trace this correctly. So we're gonna go ahead and trace it like that. So just keep on clicking onto it, then add it here. So if you want to do this onto your end, make sure to go ahead and track this precisely so that it should go ahead and track also or blur out the parts correctly onto your video. So since this is just for a tutorial, we're going to make this one quickly just like that, and we're going to put the endpoint here. So since we've gone ahead and tracked that, we're going to click onto this icon in here to go ahead and let DaVinci Resolve analyze the tracking in here. So click on the display button, and as you can see, it will go ahead and try to track in here the text. So we're just gonna wait until the end of the video in here to finish or have this one track correctly. So since we did not try to do this correctly earlier or trace this correctly, so there might be some lapses onto tracking this, but make sure to do this correctly onto your end to go ahead and have the tracking completely done onto there. So we have stop tracking already in here, and we're just gonna go ahead and have this onto the first part of the video, and right after, we'll add the blur part of the text in here. So click onto this blur icon in here, and here onto the radius, we're gonna go ahead and make this bigger. So as you can see, it blurred out the part of the text, and if you play this, it will go ahead and track the blur as well. And that is just how easy you could go ahead and blur text in DaVinci Resolve easy tutorial. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.